Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and in today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Squarespace. So let me take you to their website, which is squarespace.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Squarespace is an all-in-one website building platform that helps you create professional websites, online stores, and portfolios with ease. The platform offers beautiful templates, built-in marketing tools, domain services, and e-commerce solutions to grow your brand online. With Squarespace, you can design, launch, and manage your website from one powerful, user-friendly platform. So what you're waiting for? You can come to the website, explore all about them, and if you want to start using them, maybe for your professional website or online store or portfolio, go ahead and do that. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Squarespace. Possible? Of course it is. You simply become the affiliate of Squarespace and you start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic, and when you bring sales to them, you will end up receiving commission. So the affiliates from which country can join the affiliate program, or to the consumers of which country can they promote in order to receive commission. No restrictions found. So regardless of your country as an affiliate or the country of your consumer, you could still earn commission based on the valid sales you bring to them, assuming Squarespace providing the services to the consumers of those countries. So let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, let me take you to the website called Flex Offers. Now, what is Flex Offers and what does that have to do with Squarespace? Flex Offers is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of any brand out there, you must join the respective affiliate marketing network. So in our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of Squarespace, you must have an account with Flex Offers. I mean the affiliate account with them. And having an account with them will allow you to apply to the affiliate program of Squarespace. So how do you sign up to have an affiliate account with Flex Offers? For that, from the top right hand side on their website, you can click on Get Started, which will take you to this page. Now, they call affiliates as publishers and brands as advertisers or merchants, so don't get confused. To sign up as an affiliate or publisher, you can simply click on Sign Up. It will take you to the sign up page. You can complete all the given steps from there and get yourself the affiliate account with Flex Offers. Now, I understand there are many nuances involved when doing the sign up with any affiliate marketing network out there, so don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use FlexOffer's affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Simply click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself free affiliate account or rather the publisher account of FlexOffers. Once you have an account with them, you can come to their website once again, and this time hover over login, click on publisher login, enter your credential, and then you can see your publisher affiliate dashboard. You may call it publisher dashboard or affiliate dashboard, it's one and the same thing. Once here, you can find the affiliate program of different brands as well, but the focus of our video is simply Squarespace. So how do you locate the affiliate program? For that, you can look at the left-hand side menu bar, and from here, click on advertiser and click on advertiser search. It will take you to this page. Over here, you can come to the advertiser program name within advertiser search, start typing Square, and you will see Squarespace. Just click on the name followed by click on search. It will locate their affiliate program and you will be able to see the title in here. Once here, you can see the commission rate. So the payout is $40 per paid subscription from any customer. That means if you are bringing someone new to Squarespace and if they're buying any subscription, you will get $40 for that paid subscription. And to have more details, you can click on View Program Terms. And over here, you would be able to see bifurcation of the commission, the restrictions as well. You can read for understanding. And over here, you can click on Terms and Condition and ensure you read it carefully to understand what is allowed and what's not allowed. Let's say you have read it all and now you're ready to apply to their affiliate program. For that, you can just close their overlay window and over here, you can select your traffic source. So let's say I want to promote them through my YouTube channel. I'm going to go with social media, all about affiliate marketing. In your case, ensure you select your given traffic source as well. Once you've selected the traffic source, followed by that, click on apply with selected. It will open up this overlay window once again. Over here, you can click on yes, I agree to the terms and condition about that you must have read it, and then click on apply to program. When you do that, your application to the affiliate program team of Squarespace or Flex Offers have gone. They'll see whether you're a good fit for Squarespace or not, and based on that, they could give you the approval. Once you've been approved, how would you know? You will be notified by an email, and it could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks' time. So you can give them that much time. And once you have received the email, you can again click on advertisers, go to advertiser search, and from here you can either search for Squarespace from here, or you can also select application status as approved and click on search. This will allow you to see all your approved brands, including Squarespace, if you have been approved by them. Once approved, then what? Then you can start promoting them. But to promote them, you can't just take any link from the website. You have to use tracking link. So how to get or create your tracking link? For that, let's take an example of this web page. Let's say you want to promote this web page, which is basically all the features available at Squarespace. You want to promote this page. So you can copy this URL, come to your affiliate account of Flag Surfers, the dashboard once again, and on the home page, you can again click on home to get to the home page. And once here, you can scroll down till this section, quick link generator. And within advertiser, you can search for Squarespace. But since I haven't yet been approved by Squarespace, so that's why I don't see in your case, assuming I've been approved, you can search for them. Just for the demo purpose, I'm going to go with Atleta. So once you have selected Squarespace from here, you have selected your traffic source, you can mention your landing page URL here, the URL that you want to convert to tracking link. Followed by that, you can click on generate. It will create a tracking link for you, and you would be able to see this link in here, which you can copy and share it with your audience, with your traffic. But in our case, it didn't work. The reason being, I'm trying to create a tracking link for Squarespace using Atleta. Assuming you're trying to create tracking link using Squarespace from here and landing URL for Squarespace, you would be able to create your tracking link. Let's say you don't want to create your own tracking link, but you rather want to use the available ones. How do you do that? For that, look at the left-hand side menu bar once again, click on links and click on link search. It will take you to this page. Over here, you can select your traffic source. From advertiser, again, you can select Squarespace. But in our case, just for the demo purpose, I'm going to go with Atleta. And then you can search by keyword, but I would rather suggest go by content type. So what kind of links you want? Do you want to get text link, banners, or widget? I would suggest banners. So these are like good looking images that you could use. So let's say I want to get the banners. I'm going to go with banners, and then I can click on search. Similar to that, you can select the advertiser from here. That is Squarespace followed by the content type, and you would be able to see the banners. So assuming that we are seeing the banners of Squarespace, how do you get the tracking link? For that, you can click on view link from the available options. You will have these options, the link that you can copy and share it with your audience, with your traffic. Or you may click on HTML. This is the HTML link code. You can copy and paste it from the backend of your website. And this is how the logo would look like, assuming this would be the logo of Squarespace. And lastly, there's an image. Let's say you just want to get the image. You can just take the image URL from here. So this is how you can get either the banners, text, or widget links from the approved advertiser, that is Squarespace. All right, so you learn how to apply to the affiliate program of Squarespace, how to create or get your tracking link. The next question arises, where can you promote them? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One way is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you've been approved by Flag Surfers and Squarespace, you can promote them on your website. Maybe on the homepage, maybe on the category page, wherever you feel like it's more suited for your audience, for your traffic, you can go ahead and do that. Second is blog. Maybe you might want to write blog posts about Squarespace, their features or available options, and put your tracking links somewhere within your blog post. So this way, when people would read, they'll click on the link, and if they buy the paid subscription, you get commission. Third way is social media. Social media could be great here because using social media, you can create content like video, post, reels, stories, and put your tracking link in the description or in the comment. Again, people, if they like your content, they'll click, they buy, you get commission. Fourth way is business services website. Now, why would people come to the business services website? Of course, to see some great options out there, correct? So let's assume being an affiliate, you have such a website which maybe you might want to create sections for brands like Squarespace. So people come to this kind of website of yours, they go to that section, and if they see Squarespace being listed over there, they'll click on the link, and again, as they buy the best subscription, you get commission. So these are some of the ways you can promote them. Let's say you started promoting them, you started bringing sales to them. Where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to the affiliate dashboard once again of Flag Surfers. Over here on the homepage, you would be able to see some quick stats. And if you want to see more details, you can again from the left hand side click on reports and go to performance. It will take you to this page. Over here, you can select your traffic source. I'm going to go with my social media. You can choose date range and then click on generate report. It will run the report. You would be able to see clicks, orders, sell amount, commission, and all the other details. So like this, you can also explore transaction details to see your transaction and account balance to see your accumulated commission. So let's say if you click on it, it will take you to this page. You can click on view balance, and over here, you would be able to see your accumulated balance, the commission. Now let's say you want to start receiving this commission from Flex offers. How do you get it? For that, you have to ensure you have updated your payment settings. And how do you do that? For that, you have to look at the top right hand side and you have to click on this drop down icon. From here, you can click on payment settings. It will take you to this page. You have to complete two-factor authentication. After successfully completing it, you can update your address in this step one. You can move to payment method, and over here you will have these payment methods to choose from. If you go with local bank transfer or wire transfer, you have to update your banking details. If you go with check, then you can choose your address to receive the check for the commission payment, or you could go with PayPal, that I prefer the most. So go with PayPal, give your PayPal email address, or you can also hold your commission if you like. And of course, accordingly what you select, you have to give the information, and then followed by that, click on next. It will then take you to text form selection. You can go with text form selection as well and then mark it done. So this is how you can update your payment settings. And once you've updated your payment method like this, you can expect to receive commission from Flex offers for all the sales that you must have brought to Squarespace. Of course, the commission for it. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Squarespace. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start promoting them and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Squarespace. And as an affiliate, if you want to grow, there are some amazing resources that I have created for you. There are free resources and as well as some premium resources. You would be able to find them in the description. You might want to avail any of those resources. Apart from it, if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, or if you want me to cover a topic on the affiliate program in general, do let me know and I'll try to create a video on that. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.